Joey, and this is why I'm fresh out the box. I'm like, this is where I need a better story. So we're in Whipped Apia, so this is Samoa's first gelato store. Oh, sorry, do you guys mind if you're on camera? We're making handmade ice cream, so it's Italian ice cream. We've got gelato and we've got sorbets, which are dairy-free, so we're the only ice cream parlor or gelato store in Samoa that's making dairy-free options for people. So we try and do as much as we can locally, and especially from the land. So we use a whole lot of local flavors. We've got apiu, sasolapa, Faaiuaso. We use the coco Samoa. We use local coffee. So this is my mama Gina. She's heading off to New Zealand tomorrow, so she's making the faaiuaso for our family. And from the faaiuaso, or the Samoan dessert, I'm going to steal some of the sauce for our gelato flavors. You can do it.
First of all, you boil the pawpaw so you can rub it into with flour so you can create a dough or a cake or something, and then you bake it in yumu. Then we have to prepare the sauce, which is a caramel thing. It's coconut cream and sugar, but you burn the sugar in a hot rock.
I'd say Whipped is the only gelato shop in the world that makes the faaiuaso flavored gelato.
It'll drip into the coconut cream, and of course we've got a caramel.
So we take the sauce and we run it through our milk base. You can taste the smoke in the back of your throat. It's beautiful. This is my brother Micah. If I'm honest, the whole shop is one big family, so my family has been really helpful in setting it up and just being a part of it. And I think the running joke amongst my friends now is that if you sit in the shop long enough, you'll be put to work. Like, you know, if we get busy and one of my friends is hanging out on the bar here, they'll be called around to either wash the dishes or scoop for the customers. The vibe of the shop, or the atmosphere that we've got, is that our customers don't mind. Like, they know that this person doesn't work here, but they're just like, oh, cool, like, this is just, like, welcome to Samoa.
The faaiuaso. Oh, it's delicious. Oh my gosh, it's divine. It's like heaven in your mouth. You have to come here and try it.
I guess what I'm really proud of as a Samoan returning home is that a lot of the locals come in and they know what good food is, they know what quality is. You know, they've traveled as well. They've seen what is available throughout the rest of the world, and it's like, why can't we have it in Samoa? So now we do.